Between the cost of fuel, campgrounds, RV repairs, and maintenance, it's a good idea to try to reduce those expenses when it comes to sightseeing. My name is Charity, and I've been traveling by RV with my husband, our 2 kids, 1 dog, 2 cats for the last 5 years. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to find free things or very low cost things to do as you travel the country in your RV. So tip number 1, city, county, and federally run museums. Now, many areas have museums or visitor center that are free to the public, and many of these places are funded by grants or taxpayer dollars. Because of this, they're able to offer free admission. So like the Smithsonian museums, for example, in Washington, D.C. are free and open to the public. There are also many other museums that offer free days or free admission to veterans, educators, or others that are in certain occupations. So check out and see what museums are in the area that you're going to be traveling to, and if any of those can be visited for free. Tip number 2, parks and open spaces. Visiting parks is a great free activity and can be a great way to experience the local culture in a given area. Packing a picnic lunch and heading to a local park is a great way to see some sights and not spend a dime. We have found that being a family with kids, sometimes this is actually an easier way to enjoy a meal out versus having to wrangle kids inside of a restaurant. There are many public lands and open spaces in different areas with free walking and hiking trails. This is a great way to see the sights, get some exercise and fresh air, all for free. If you just do a quick Google search in the area that you're going to be visiting, you can see which parks have walking trails, natural areas, beaches, lakes that are in these locations where you're planning your travels. Tip number 3, use Google search and just do a quick search for free things to do in fill in the area you're going to be visiting. Doing a quick search like this can provide a ton of information about things in the area that you're going to be traveling to. There are many places to go and see for free. For example, most of the cities that are in the capital of the state, so let's take Cheyenne, Wyoming, for example, visiting that Capitol building is free. And most of these places are historic sites, which make for an even more interesting visit. Some towns even have free zoos, like the zoo in St. Louis, for example. Tip number 4. Large businesses or factories that offer free tours. Many larger businesses will offer free tours and samples. For example, the Tillamook Creamery in Oregon, Budweiser in Fort Collins, Colorado, or the Airstream Factory in Jackson Center, Ohio. All of these businesses offer free tours, and it's a great way to be able to do something for free and learn something new as well. Tip number 5. Free tours by foot, or pay what you want. In many larger areas, you can find free tours by foot. While these are labeled as free, since there is no charge to sign up for the tour itself, it is expected that you would pay the tour guide whatever you feel their time was worth for taking you on that tour. This is a great, almost free way to see the sights of a new place and learn some history that you wouldn't have known before. All in all, there are so many things to do and see as you travel with your RV for absolutely free. There's no need to book that expensive excursion when you can visit and see many things for free.